Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have MATIC Network Polygon daily update. We are back with the short-term realistic price predictions. Before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee /MindYourCrypto. You get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos and many more benefits. So stay tuned guys, only 50 people can join in, and of course you can cancel your subscription anytime you like. Okay, so hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content, and also join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below. You can find it, and of course we are a team that grows together and we help each other every day. Alright, so let's go now quickly to our technical analysis, and we will start first with some resistance levels, guys. Okay, we will start with some resistance levels in case we go upwards, so you know exactly where we might stop. So right now we are at the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, the 96 cents for MATIC after drawing the Fibonacci starting from the top at 7 July, ending up to the bottom on 20 July. The reason was, guys, that I want to find major resistance levels. Okay, well, if you draw your Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, you find major resistance levels, but for now you can see that we stopped at the 0.618, our golden ratio, guys. You can see it there, and now we want to see whether we are going upwards or downwards. Okay, the next stop is the 1 Tether USD. The next one is the 1.05. So let's go a little bit to the MACD. You can see the MACD here went crazy upwards. Now we have a bearish cross right there, but that doesn't mean, guys, we are going all the way down. Okay, if we are going all the way down and beyond this low here point we formed at back on 20 July, then these things aren't looking good, but for now they are looking good. Okay, we shouldn't worry about this bearish cross on the MACD. It's nothing important on the 4-hour frame. It happens, and it is very healthy to have a nice little correction right there. It will be very healthy to have a little correction, not a very huge correction right there. Okay, so for now, let's go to the volume. The volume increased rapidly, guys. You can see it here, and now it is decreasing again, while the price is staying a little bit above. That's good. That's very good. Let's go now to the RSI, the commodity channel index, and of course the stochastic RSI. You can see on the 4-hour frame on the trading view, we have the RSI between 30 and 70. When it is between 30 and 70 inside this purple area, you can see that we don't have any overbought or any oversold situation. That means that either the price and the RSI indicator can go upwards or downwards. Okay, so we have to see other indicators as well, because the RSI right now is between 30 and 70, so we don't have any clear buying opportunity or any clear selling opportunity. So let's go to the commodity channel index, and on the commodity channel index you can see that we were in an overbought situation, corrected again, went back into an overbought situation, corrected again. That's what we want to form, guys, a pattern like this, so we can go more upwards. Okay, we don't want to fall all the way downwards, while the commodity channel index is still, sorry for that guys, while the commodity channel index is still between -100, the bottom line, and 100, the top line, the normal lines for the normal limits actually for the commodity channel index. Okay, so you can see the stochastic RSI is between 20 and 80, so we don't have any overbought situation. So that means, guys, we can grow up more or we can correct even more. Okay, so let's go now to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we had, according to the SSL hybrid that you should all have on your trading view, we had a buying opportunity right here. There we go, guys. Then we went a little bit upwards. Now let's see if we can maintain our priority and of course go even higher. Okay, so we need to go even higher. We don't have a selling opportunity yet. We don't want to short out our position according to this SSL hybrid, because you can see now the red arrow right here. When we have the red arrow, we should short our position. When we have the blue arrow, we should buy. Okay, we should definitely buy, but right now we have the SSL hybrid. Let's go to the Bollinger Bands a little bit to see whether we are in the top line. No, we are not in the top line of the Bollinger Bands. We are not in the bottom line. We are exactly on the middle in this moving average line. You can see that, and thus we don't have any overbought or any oversold situation. Because as you know, when we approach the top line of the Bollinger Bands, we have a selling opportunity. When we approach the bottom line, we have a buying opportunity. That doesn't happen when we are having an impulsive wave. When we go along the top line of the Bollinger Bands, you can see that in an impulsive wave, we have a risk here, but we don't care. Okay, same happens in a very bearish market. The opposite actually happens in a very bearish market. We are going all the way down and we don't care that we move along the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. So before, guys, we had a very bearish market right here. In the previous days, you can see it was awful to watch for at least 10 days, guys. You can see that. But okay, we got a nice bullish candle and we want to see whether we can go upwards or downwards. On the daily frame, only the stochastic RSI is in an overbought situation. You can see it is above the 80, while the other two risk metrics, the RSI and the commodity channel index, are between 30 and 70 for the RSI, of course, and minus 100 and 100 for the commodity channel index. You can see now the MACD, you can see the bullish cross that happened between the MACD, the blue line, and the signal line, but again, we don't have the distance needed yet to say that we are very bullish on the daily frame. We would, of course, want to see a very nice here swing high, and the blue line goes above the signal line for quite some long time now, but okay, we will see about that. We had a nice bullish cross though, and let's go now to the MATIC Bitcoin chart. And here you can see, guys, I will go actually first on the 4-hour frame right there, and you can see actually, guys, that we even went down from this support level and we stopped nearly at the 0.4021. Let's see the price label right here. There we go, guys. You can see the 0.4021.33. That was the bottom around there, guys, and then we moved upwards, and then we just could outperform Bitcoin because we had, guys, the RSI being almost in an oversold situation for quite some time right there. You can see that MATIC Bitcoin chart was in an oversold situation, right? So you can see that it was about time that we have a swing high. We were consolidating for so long for MATIC Bitcoin chart, and on the commodity channel index the same, guys. You can see that we were in an oversold situation for quite some time right there. Very bearish market. The stochastic RSI on the 4-hour frame now was also in an oversold situation. Now it is again in an oversold situation, so that's good, guys. The stochastic RSI, according to the stochastic RSI, we can even go high right there, and that is pretty good for MATIC and for MATIC Bitcoin chart. Okay, so let's go now to the daily frame. On the daily frame, you can see that we had the bearish cross between the 20-day EMA and the 50-day EMA. Now we want to see whether we can go, potentially we can move upwards, and maybe we have a nice bullish recross between the 10-day EMA and the 50-day EMA again, but we will see about that. Now we are in an overbought situation on the daily frame according to the stochastic RSI, but according to the RSI and the commodity channel index, we are not yet. So let's discuss a bit about the price action and the price analysis. You can see that MATIC, guys, if I draw my Fibonacci retracement from this top right here, there we go, down to this bottom, we will find major resistance levels. And now we stopped at the 96, which is our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. We went a little bit above at 98, you can see here 99 cents, but we had a huge sell pressure. Now we're finding some sell pressure right there as well. But the next stop, guys, is the 1 Tether USD, a line I draw by myself right there because it wasn't on the Fibonacci retracement. And of course, the 1.06 Tether USD, as you can see there, okay, for MATIC in Tether USD. So these are our next price targets. And of course, guys, this happens if only Bitcoin goes upwards. If Bitcoin has a crash right there and goes downwards, it won't happen. But let's see a little bit Bitcoin chart. You can see that, guys, on the Bitcoin chart, we are good, okay? But only the commodity channel index and the stochastic RSI are in an overbought situation. The RSI is not. However, we should be a little bit careful, right? Because we have gone above the 140 commodity channel index. If Bitcoin is to go above the 36,500 Tether USD, this will be huge for altcoins, this will be huge for the crypto space, but on a bearish market, you can't be greedy, right? You should be safe. Always remember, guys, to take your profits out. Even if it's a 5%, 10%, 15% or more, take your profits. We are on a bearish market. You don't want to risk there some of your investment, some of your trading actually, because an investment is for more of a long term, right? So eventually, guys, if we are going to see Bitcoin going upwards a little bit more, then of course MATIC can go to 1 and 1.06, our next price target for MATIC, okay? But for now, Bitcoin is in an overbought situation for 2 out of 3 risk metrics on the daily frame for the midterm. Let's go and see for the 4-hour frame. You can see on the 4-hour frame we had the RSI above the 70. Actually, for Bitcoin, you can see that we went upwards so much, and we had the RSI above the 70 on the 4-hour frame. Same here, guys, for the commodity channel index. Now we are not in an overbought situation though for both of these indexes, but we are very close to the top. So what we would like here is maybe we had another double top right there for the RSI before we go down, because we are in a critical overbought situation, and you can see that the stochastic RSI is also the same, okay? So for now, yes, we can grow up more, but you should be really careful, okay? So if you have profits into MATIC Tether USD, you can take out 40 to 50% of your profits and wait if we can go even higher, right? Because on the daily frame, guys, if you go back there, you will see that we have room to grow. Apart from the stochastic RSI that is in an overbought situation, 2 out of 3 risk metrics are not. The commodity channel index and the RSI are still between, for the commodity channel index between -100 and 100, for the RSI between 30 and 70. So we can grow more, but you should be a little bit careful. If you have profits, take them. Next price target are the 1 Tether USD 1.06, and of course, guys, join our monthly subscription to get easy profits. I have the link in the description down below, also the link for the Telegram group chat, and hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.
You gotta be